How to add a campaign on Grindr app. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how we can add a campaign on the Grindr app. So let's start. Now when you open the app and log into your account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now as you see on the screen, you'll find pop-ups of different kinds of ads on your screen. Even when you go to inboxes and other things, you'll find various pop-ups related to ad. So these are the ad campaigns that are being run on the app. If you want to add a campaign like this, what you need to do is basically go to a browser. After that, go to the search bar and type Grindr ads. As you search for Grindr ads, you will find this advertise link from the official website. Open it. Then after, you will find this create an ad option. Tap on create an ad and then log into your account. After that, go through the 3 easy steps by which you can create a campaign. Basically, you have to choose your location and the country. Furthermore, you will have to upload the ad that you have prepared, or you can custom create the ad or the campaign in the website itself. Finally, you will have to set your budget and then submit it. After doing these steps, they will inform you in your email address if your ad or campaign has been verified. As it is verified, your campaign will be added on Grindr and it will start running. So in this way, you can add a campaign on Grindr app. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.